This video will walk you through creating a PlayPosit account. In order to create a PlayPosit account, you will need a Moodle course. This can be a project space or an accredited course. To create a PlayPosit account, navigate to the desired Moodle course and turn on the editing mode. Navigate to the week or module you would like to add a PlayPosit activity to, and select Add an Activity or Resource. Select PlayPosit from the list. You don't need to create an activity name. It will automatically populate from the content in PlayPosit. Click Select Content. Select Set Link in the pop-up window. A PlayPosit window will appear within Moodle. Because I have already created bulbs, my bulbs is displayed. When you first create an account, you will see an empty screen where you can start adding bulbs. We will walk through the process of creating a bulb in the next video. That's it. The first time you attempt to create a PlayPosit activity via Moodle, an account in PlayPosit is automatically generated for you. Now you can go directly to PlayPosit to access your account.